What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I told you guys I was gonna drop them daily, and that's exactly what I'm doing. So today's Monday. If you guys work somewhere and you are always complaining about Monday, you're not looking forward to Monday, you're not looking forward to go to work, then you need to do something else. But it's kind of a slow day at the shop. I really don't have much to show you. I mean, I did some tires, some tire patches. I did some, the basic work that comes in every day to Firestone, which is, tires, patches, rotate, balance, alignment, oil changes, your basic maintenance stuff, and nothing worthy of making the vlog today. So, what am I doing today? I'm actually outside Home Depot, and I'm here because we actually have a truck in the shop, and one of the other techs is working on it, and his tools are just breaking left and right. He has like a good stack of tools, maybe 4 or 5 different tools. His impact wrench, some his impact wrench, breaker bars, sockets, big ass ratchets, and he can't take these lug nuts off. So they're trying. I mean, his 1/2-inch impact gun from Cornwall already broke. We tried mine, which is a 1/2-inch Ingersoll Rand 2135 Ti Max, which is a pretty strong gun. But I think what we gotta do is move up to a 3/4-inch gun and get some bigger sockets and put some power behind that, behind those lug nuts, and I think that's gonna be able to take them off. So I'm actually outside Home Depot. I'm gonna get some fittings for the gun, and I'm also gonna be looking at the Milwaukee cordless ratchets. As you guys already know, I already have the 3/8, the newest one that Milwaukee has out. It's a pretty big fat one, but I need something smaller. I need like a 1/4-inch. And I think they have it here, so I'm gonna see how much they want for it, and I'm only gonna be getting the 2. I don't need batteries for it because I already got batteries. So I'm gonna go inside Home Depot and show you guys a little, I guess, tool haul. I don't know, we'll see. Let's go inside and see what happens. That was pretty quick. I went in and out in like 10 minutes. So let me show you what I ended up getting for this 3/4-inch impact gun. This way, if you buy like a heavy duty gun like this, you know that you have to buy, what to do with it. So let me go over what I bought. This is my 1/2-inch. This is the one I use every single day, and this is a pretty strong gun right here. Now, the gun that we got for the shop is this big boy right here. This is the Earthquake XT from Harbor Freight. Now look at this, compare this to mine. Look at this. Oh. Alright, so what I was looking for is a fitting like this, but this doesn't go in here. It doesn't fit. Can you guys see that? So what you gotta buy is this right here. This is made by Husky. It's a 3/8 to 1/4-inch reducer. So basically it's like a little chingadera like this. Can you see that? Alright, so that goes into the gun right here at the bottom, and then you can screw your 1/4-inch coupler into that. And now we got power behind this gun right here. So I'm gonna take this back to the shop. I might get that on video for you guys, I might not, but I gotta go drop this off and give this back to them and have them put it to use, because this is not mine, this is for the shop. But I mean, if you guys have a 3/4 inch gun, you know that this will take off pretty much anything. I've used 3/4 inch guns to remove the Honda crank bolts, and you know those are a pain in the butt. So get yourself little chingaderas like this for the bottom of the gun. You'll be able to use it. And you know what I saw when I was in there? I saw some high flow fittings, which I think I'm gonna end up getting for, you know, for another video. I'll come back though. This is just for the shop, it's not for me. But yeah, I don't know, we'll see how it works. It's fucking raining out there, so drive safe, drive slow, and I'll see you guys later.
Right there. It's gonna be number 3 right there.
Oh my god. No bueno, earthquake.
No bueno.
Rest in peace.
Rest in peace.
Rest in peace.
Rest in peace.
Sockets.
Rest in peace.
Impact gun.
Rest in peace.
Oh man, Ford's winning today. This guy's losing all his tools. Cornwell, Mac, Matco, Snap-on. Ford's winning 7-0. Hopefully you can hear me over the music, but I'm gonna be doing front bearings on this. This has to be pressed in, so I gotta take the whole spindle out, and I'm sending it out. I don't wanna do it here. While this is out getting pressed, I can be working on something else and making more money. So this is coming off right now, and then we'll show you what's gonna happen. But look, you can actually see a little bit of play over on the bearing side, and that's making noise as you're driving, so it has to be pressed out. When we get it back, it'll be brand new. We'll probably have a new hub on there. Let me talk to you about the importance of aligning these notches. I've talked about this in other videos, and this car just got brakes done. It got pads and rotors. I'm gonna redo the brakes on this side, and I'm actually gonna change the caliper out. So this is the same car that's getting the wheel bearing on the front. This is a 2012 Mazda 6, and I'm trying to show you how it's not aligned, but maybe once I take it off, you'll see it. You can see where that notch was resting, and that's what really screwed it up. So all this is coming off right now. I'm gonna continue working. Just pay attention when you align this. It's supposed to be perpendicular in line right here with the caliper, and you can see how it's offset here. So take a look at this. This is a damage that was done. You can see how the brake pads are wearing right there, and you can see how white they are from overheating. No bueno. Look at this. And look at the rotor. Hopefully that shows good on video, but this rotor was just making contact on one side because that piston was cocked to one side. So pay attention to what you're doing when you're doing brakes, guys. Those notches are there for some reason. They're there for a reason, so make sure they're aligned. These brakes were just done less than about a month ago, and now they're gotta take this side apart too, because I'm gonna be doing the whole complete brake job on the back. And this hub right here, the bearing's actually in here too, so I'm gonna go ahead and change it out. So look at the difference in the brakes. This is a right rear side, and this side is actually good. The notch was aligned properly, so there was no damage done here, and the brake pads are not overheating. So I mean, still got to change them all out, you know. So oh, and this hub's got to be changed. This rotor's still good. This is what the rotor's supposed to look like. Brand new rotor, guys. Brand spanking new. Can't hear it over the music, but this hub is and this is only bolted on with 4 bolts. I'm gonna take it off right now and I'll show you what I'm doing here. is just 4 bolts that are holding that hub in the back. And here, let me show you. So you can see I took off the 4 bolts that are right there. Those are 17 millimeters on this Mazda. And I gotta take off that 10 that's holding the speed sensor. And then that hub can come out, and then we just bolt the other one back in. There's no pressing on this one. Just tighten the nuts down, the bolts, and it's good to go. This is it, just 4 bolts on the back of this hub. You get the assembly like this, and then if you can hear it. You can't hear it. It's freaking loud over here. But yeah, that's it. Pretty simple, huh? 2012 Mazda. Easy money. Right now I'm just gonna be waiting for parts, and then we'll throw everything back together once everything's here. Still waiting for parts here. So this is all taken apart, but I got no parts. I'm waiting for that right now. This one over here, I already put together. It's not a big deal. This is just plug and play, guys. The only difference here on this caliper is this, but to take this off, this is just spring loaded, so you can use a screwdriver to overcome the spring tension, and then you can unhook that little the cable from there, see? And then unbolt it. It's just plug and play, nothing too crazy here, but I've already got it together, just gotta bleed it. And then I'm still waiting for the hub on this side, and that's how it is sometimes. You just gotta wait for parts. Right now it's just a waiting game. All right, check it out. Finally got the front left bearing and hub back, and I told you guys we're gonna have to put a new hub on here. Usually when you replace the bearing, you have to put a new hub, and you can see this one has no play whatsoever, so this is gonna be good to go. All I gotta do right now is bolt it back up. It's all nuts and bolts from here, guys, so check it out. It's gonna go up in here. So let me set you guys up, and I'm gonna get to work. So I finished putting this thing back together. Not a big deal. There's a 17 up there, a 17 for the tie rod. Move this ABS sensor harness out of the way, get the caliper, the rotor off, axle nut, and underneath there's 2 21 millimeter nuts that gotta come off. And then you can take off the spindle, send it out to get it pressed, and you know, finish that up. And in the back, I finished up over here with the caliper, the rotor, basically everything on this side with the brakes. The only thing that we had trouble with, we couldn't get a hold of this hub assembly that goes in there, but I left everything together right here. So somebody's gonna finish it up tomorrow, because tomorrow's my day off. And yeah, that's where it's at right now. Tomorrow they put this back together, bleed the brakes, and get the car on its way. So couldn't finish it for you guys today. I wish I could have done the job start to finish, but sometimes that's how it goes, you know? You're not able to get a hold of parts, you're waiting all day for parts. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here. If you guys are new, hit that subscribe button, because I'm gonna be dropping more videos. If you made it all the way to the end, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, let me know what else you want to see, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.